So, welcome to all for this course of refrigeration and air conditioning. Now, we are studying the applications of refrigeration and air conditioning. So, our next application is automobile air conditioning system. Now, so here diagram is I have shown one here. So, here is a vehicle is there, car is there. Now, the sources of heat gain in the car is these are the various sources of heat gain. Now how heat come inside the car? So heat is come through sun load, means sun rays falling over this car. So through sun rays heat will come inside the cabin. Then engine heat will come inside the cabin. The exhaust heat will come inside the cabin. Then heat from the road it will enter inside this car. So this is about the heating load in the car. Now the objective of this automobile air conditioning system is it must cool the air, it must circulate the air, it will purify the air, and also it will do dehumidification of the air. Dehumidification means removing of the moisture from the air. That is called as dehumidification. Now here the automobile air conditioning system consists of the basic component compressor, condenser, evaporator and expansion valve and this receiver. Now here the condenser part is located at the front of the car. Condenser part is located at the front of the car so that it will take the advantage of the air which is coming from the front of the car, so that air will cool this condenser. So that's why condenser located at the front of the car. While evaporator is located in the passenger compartment. So this is passenger compartment. So here evaporator is located. Now this compressor is compressing the refrigerant at high pressure. So after high pressure temperature also increases. So that refrigerant will enter into this condenser. So this outside air will cool this condenser. This cool the refrigerant passing through condenser coil, so that the temperature of the refrigerant will reduce. It will convert into, so heat of the refrigerant will share with this air coming from front. So heat of the refrigerant will absorb by the air coming from the front, so that it will lose the heat. Refrigerant will lose the heat to the air, so that the refrigerant will convert into liquid form. Now the refrigerant collected in this receiver. Now the refrigerant, high pressure refrigerant will send to the expansion valve. So here in expansion valve, the pressure of the refrigerant will reduces and part of the refrigerant will vaporize. So remaining liquid refrigerant will send into the evaporator coil. So whatever the vapor refrigerant will again pass through compressor. So liquid refrigerant will enter into this evaporator coil. So in evaporator coil, so refrigerant absorb the heat from the passenger compartment. So the surrounding passenger compartment से जो भी heat आएगा it will absorb by the refrigerant. So that refrigerant get boil, it will absorb the heat, so that it will get vaporized, and that vaporized refrigerant will again send to the compressor. Cycle will continue. So this is about working of automotive air conditioning system. So compressor is nothing but the heart of the system which compress the refrigerant. It may be reciprocating compressor. Then condenser, which is designed to lose the heat, radiate the heat. So hot compressed gases introduced at the top of condenser, they are cool. As the gas cool, it condenses and exits at the bottom of the condenser at high pressure liquid. As high pressure liquid. So this is the expansion device. If you reduce the pressure of the refrigerant, then this is the receiver part. So here your evaporator is there, which will absorb the heat from the surrounding space. So this evaporator, through this evaporator coil, refrigerant will flow and absorb the heat. So evaporator located inside the vehicle. So it serves as the heat absorption component. So refrigerant enters at the bottom of the evaporator as a low pressure liquid, and the warm air passing through the evaporator fins causes the refrigerant to boil. The refrigerant have very low boiling point, and as the refrigerant begins to boil, it can absorb a very large amount of heat. Generally, refrigerant used in automobile are R134A. In this way, the refrigerant stored in this can. Now we are moving towards next application, window air conditioner, in next video. Thank you for listening.